Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So Cancer, these are readings for the weekend of the 6th of November. A small little mini love bite to check how your energies are now. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Cancer, as always, let's start with an angel blessing card to see how the angels are going to bless you this weekend, and then we'll get on with your reading, okay? My angels, blessing or an advice card for my Cancer, please. Blessing or an advice for my Cancer. Okay, this one. Thank you. Let's put these back, Cancer. Let's see what blessing we have in store for us or advice. Pause. There's a bit of pause going on in some aspect of your life, Cancer, or maybe it's time to take a break. I don't know why this card is here, Cancer. Let's open the rest of your cards and see how it relates to the rest of our reading. So Cancer, all my subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for all your support. I'm very blessed to have you all here today. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. Though even this is just a mini weekend love bite, your longer readings have been posted and more are coming Sunday onwards. So look forward to those. And any of you looking for a personal reading, you can reach me at my email, which is given in the description box below. So let's begin, Cancer. Let's see what your energies are like. Queen of Cups in reverse. Not feeling your best, Cancer. This is your card, right? And you're kind of feeling a bit overwhelmed where emotions are concerned, or pulling away your love from someone. Let's open the rest of your cards and see what's going on here. The first card I have for you here, Cancer, is the Knight of Wands. No wonder. Okay. Three of Swords and the Ace of Cups in reverse. Strength. Eight of Swords and the Lovers. So you've been dealing with somebody, Cancer, who a very immature energy around you, maybe a player, maybe someone who rushes in and out of your life, promises the earth, delivers nothing, and maybe always holds back from you, never gives you the satisfaction, that love that you crave so deeply. This person is an immature energy, maybe. Could be younger than you, maybe not in age, but could be like childish energy. A child in a man's body or a woman's body, let's say. This person never takes responsibility for their action, and it's come to a point where I think you almost feel embarrassed to have this person around you. It's like almost a disgrace, or you feel as if you always lose with this person. And whenever this person enters your life, you feel it kind of backfires on you because it stresses you out so big time, right? Look at this. Backfires on you, stresses you out, makes you feel almost embarrassed at your circumstances now, holds back, or maybe now you are holding back as well. This is a Knight of Wands who is not the most safe and secure person to be in a relationship with. Okay? This has led to a big broken heart, Cancer. I'm sorry, but this is a heartbreak here. Heartbreak and the loss of love. Feeling all the love is draining down. It's like the Queen of Cups in reverse, right? She's got a big cup of love, but what's the point? It's all getting drained out into nothing. So let's see why this Three of Swords is here. Why is it Three of Swords here, Spirit? Three of Swords. Yeah, you feel things are totally come to an end and almost beyond repair now. You feel this person, whoever this person is a trickster who is creating chaos in your life, gives you illusions, and that time now maybe it's time for you to make some harsh decisions regarding this person who is not authentic, who creates drama and stories and never lives up to the, like, they're pretty stories which never manifest into real life, right? You feel this is a situation which has ended or should be ended, and it's beyond repair now, because now there is no more love left into this relationship either. So Ace of Cups, Spirit. Ace of Cups. I think Cancer, right now you spent a lot of time in isolation. You spent a lot of time shedding light to this person, the situation, and you're coming to a place where you're saying, hey, I think it's not even worth fighting now. I'm going to drop this fight altogether. I'm going to gather up my strength now. I'm going to gather up my strength, get out of this self-imposed prison that I've put myself into because of the energy of this other person, and get out of my head. You know, it's time for me to make a choice. So let's clarify these cards and see what choice you're planning to make, Cancer. Strength card, Spirit. What's the Strength card? What's the Strength card for Cancer? Yes, you're holding yourself strong, Cancer. I think this relationship is gone beyond saving. If this was a relationship which you thought could be the happily ever after, all these illusions are now, you've cleared your mind and heart out, you know, you're dreaming of this perfect partner, perfect relationship with this person, will be happily ever after. I think you've shed light to the situation now, and you're becoming clearer and clearer each day. You know that this person brings in only conflict and strife in your life, right? Maybe competition, or it's like a competing energy, or whenever this person comes towards you, it always creates some kind of unrest and conflict around you. You know that this is not something that's going to help you or do good for you maybe in the long run. Eight of Swords, Spirit. Yes, now you're becoming smarter here, Cancer. You're saying, what's the point of, living in regret and sorrow for the rest of my life? When I know what this person is all about, it's better that I get out of the stress and tension and make a choice. Remove this blindfold from my eyes and drop these swords now and make a clear choice. I have two cards of making a choice here, Cancer. I think you're seeing the light of the truth of this person, and you realize that this is not a relationship worth wasting, I think, your time and your energy and your mental space, your heart space. You don't want to be at crossroads forever, right? This is what you're thinking. I don't want to be at crossroads forever. I want to follow one path. I think the path that you want to choose is the one without. You now want to, I think, invest in yourself. You have taken stock of who has done what and what this relationship can in the long term provide. And after deep contemplation, I think you're making this choice, Cancer. So what's this choice, Cancer? Spirit for Cancer? You're, I think, coming to that point that, there's no point reconciling with this person. There is no joy, happiness to be had with this person. And I think you've started kind of looking at your other options now. What else is out there? I have so many options to choose from. Why am I stuck with something which is not making me happy? So let me make a choice about this and open myself out to, all the other options that are in front of me. Let's see what's happening on the weekend. Three of Pentacles in reverse, the Sun and the Chariot. Yes, Cancer, I think with the Three of Swords energy, this weekend you are no longer choosing to work with this person anymore. You're not interested in partnering up with them. You are bringing this relationship to quite a halt here. You're slowing things down with this person. And as you do that, as you release this person and no longer give them energy and no longer give in to their drama of fighting, of strife and unrest, I think it's making you realize that you're getting happier and happier by the minute, and the minute you stop waiting for them, or the minute you stop fighting for them, or the minute you stop giving energy to this person, you are in charge of your own life, Cancer. Here you are. You have the Queen of Wands energy, and this Queen of Wands is a go-getter, goes for what they want, right? And as you pick yourself up in self-love, you are moving towards your happy space. And not just moving, you are riding like really quick with the Chariot energy. You are planning to go at a very high speed. You're very, very focused now that you've dropped all this confusion from your life. Yeah. So, yes, this chapter which was not closing forever, I think you've been watching this person for some time. You know that this person gives you a lot of, strife and a lot of burden. I think you're coming to this place where you're deciding it's time now to get out of this toxic energy. This chapter has been open for too long. You've been waiting and watching for some kind of positive response, Cancer. But now that you have not got any, you're making up your mind now to leave this situation or person or relationship behind and take charge of your life and move on to be happy within your own life. So the Chariot spirit, what's this Chariot? You've suddenly started realizing that you have many, many options. You can now choose this, that or the other, Cancer. Yeah, you no longer have to invest. You no longer have to put in any more work, which is going to not amount to nothing, right? So even though I think this weekend you're kind of going back and forth in your mind, still kind of making this decision as to what is going to make me happy, what is really going to be my wish fulfillment. You are choosing, you are going back and forth. You are wondering whether this is worth putting any effort in or not, or is this going to be too burdening from me? I think with a heavy heart, you are moving with the Sun energy, of course, going towards your own happiness, even though leaving this person behind may not make you very, very happy, but you're coming to that conclusion that I'd rather be happy than unhappy, right? So I think Cancer, this was just a pause in your life. You've learned a lot of lessons from this little pause that came into your life, where maybe you waited for somebody to respond or somebody to give to you, and you realize that self-love and self-worth is worth taking a chance on. And that's where I see you. You are going to move in for better new offers coming your way, Cancer. Don't worry. You are going to find somebody who will match you. The Knight of Queen of Wands, as you were represented by, you will meet new passionate people, your equal matches, and you will get that commitment that you're looking for. So if you are leaving somebody behind, I think, Cancer, it's going to be heavy for you. You may not feel very happy about it, but you know it's time now to call it, right? So that's all I have for you, Cancer. This is just a pause. Don't worry. Things are going to only get better once you realize what you're worth. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Cancer.